What's up, YouTube? Blizzard Peak here. Hope you're all doing good. I'm alright. It's around 6:45, 6:50 p.m. Found some cookies at Target. Another fall flavor. Festive. We got Pepperidge Farm Pumpkin Cheesecake Soft Bake Cookies. Limited edition. I've seen these in past years. I've never got them, but got them this year. It's baked with kefir, brown sugar, real pumpkin, and cage-free eggs. Serving size is 1 cookie, 8 cookies per container. We got 130 calories per cookie, 12 grams of sugar. Pepperidge Farm Incorporation, Norwalk, Connecticut. Anyone from Connecticut? Or even more specifically, Norwalk. Yeah, but yeah, if anyone's watching from Connecticut, comment down below. I'm gonna open these up and try one out. Pumpkin cheesecake. What the heck? Or up. One of them's already like crumbled. There we go. Check it out. Pumpkin cheesecake flavor. Yeah, kind of has that real pumpkin vibe to it. Or texture. I don't know what I'm saying. But we got white chocolate chips, it looks like. So yeah, pumpkin cheesecake cookie by Pepperidge Farms. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, very pumpkin-like or pumpkin spice even. It's nice with the soft bake version. And then you add on the white chocolate. I think I just lost the white chocolate chip. These are actually pretty nice. It's tasty. If you like pumpkin, you'll like this. If you like white chocolate, you like this. It's kind of like mash them together and you get that type of cookie. What would I rate them? We don't really have a cookie scale, so this is gonna be like the first ever cookie review. Well, not really. I just reviewed some the other day, but this is the first one I'm giving the rating out of 10. I'll give it a 6.5, maybe a 7. I don't know. It's the first one I'm rating out of 10. Either way, for a pumpkin flavored cookie, I approve. If you see these guys, they're limited time only. Give them a try. Pumpkin cheesecake, Pepperidge Farm, soft baked cookies. I found them at Target, but you know, Walmart, Target, Vons, Safeway, CVS. Lots of grocery stores or food places probably carry them. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you are not yet subscribed and you continually see yourself watching my videos, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, thanks for supporting the channel, guys. Comment down below if there's a cookie you want me to review next time, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care and God bless.